Check out this big guy they got. He's almost bigger than my hand. So here at Garden State Koi, we not only do residential maintenance, we also do commercial maintenance. We're at a place called Cedar, Crest, which is located in Riverdale, New Jersey. And the maintenance team is out here taking care of a whole bunch of features. We do bi-weekly maintenance here, and they're getting stuff up and running for the season, getting them cleaned. So let's go check out what's going on. Good morning. How's it going, Chris?
Going well so far.
So what do you got going on here?
We're just finishing up the drain and clean on one of the ponds. We're mostly freshwater in because a lot of the water is green. Fish seem to like it.
Wow, these fish are huge.
Yeah, they've definitely grown.
Hey, Tom, you're on video.
Hey,
good morning, Tom.
How's everything going?
What are you doing back here?
I'm just hooking up the dosatron system for this beautiful pond. These are amazing fish. Look at the size of these guys. It's awesome.
Yeah, they're crazy big.
It's a really cool pond. It's going to be nice when it's all hooked up and running.
So this is the Aquascape dosing system,
Yep.
and it looks like you're putting in a bag of clean.
Yeah, this will definitely help out big time with everything running new. It'll really help get the pond nice and clean.
Wow, check out the size of these beautiful koi. Once the pond's all filled up and the filtration starts running for the season, they're gonna sure have a happy, clean home, thanks to the maintenance team at Garden State Koi. There's a couple of different water features on the property, so we're gonna go check out another one where some other guys are working, cleaning it up for the start of the season. So here, the second pond here is a turtle pond. And look at this little guy. He's been hibernating all winter. So I'm gonna put the turtle into the holding tank and check out this big guy they got. He's almost bigger than my hand. So we're in the courtyard of a bunch of buildings here in Cedar Crest. And the guys are working on a larger pond over here that are for turtles. And over here, they have a bunch of tubs of water. Some of them they're gonna use to rinse down the pond and clean it. But this big blue tank here has a whole bunch of koi in it, as well as some turtles. You can see the water is pretty dirty from the winter, but after they're done cleaning this, the pond will be crystal clear and nice and clean again for the upcoming season. Our third project today, Aaron and Raphael, and it's a small turtle pond located in the courtyard of these buildings, and they're going to drain this down and clean this out today. They will also be hooking up pumps, a dosing system that the clients have left out for us when we are doing an opening or a closing of water features. This is a very important part. We ask all our clients to leave out the necessities so we can get this thing up and running without any problems. What are you doing over here, Aaron?
I'm saving water from the small pond, so when we're done, we can reduce some water, put it back, and that helps you to rinse down all the dirty stuff.
And this pump here is going to go in the tubs of water. We're going to use that water to really wash down this pond really well. First, Aaron will use the water from the bottom of the pond and recirculate it and wash down all the debris down to the bottom. So once Aaron's done washing down the pond, he's going to unplug the clean out pump and discard of the dirty water into the storm drain over here. The guys are just finishing up and we're filling fresh water into the pond. It's a little rainy out here today, but we have so many openings that we need to get these done and stay on schedule, keep all our clients happy. By utilizing two different pumps, we are able to wash down with the water from the tubs, simultaneously pumping the water out of the feature into the storm drain, giving you a really, really nice clean wash down. Aaron's gonna plug in the pump and make sure the pump works properly and the spillway ball is flowing. That way, if there's any last adjustments we need to do before the pond is full, we can take care of that. And now we'll resume filling the pond. The turtle pond in the courtyard is filling up nicely, and Roberto and Jonathan got it nice and clean for the turtles. See him right down there enjoying his nice and clean home. The pond site is nice and clean. We're wrapping up the materials and heading on to the next one.